Thinking about getting into crypto, but worried about all the horror stories of people losing their funds? You've come to the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know about crypto wallets, step by step, so you can keep your digital assets safe and sound. By the end of this video, you'll feel confident enough to set up your own wallet and start your crypto journey securely. First, let's break down what a wallet actually is. Forget the leather thing in your back pocket. A crypto wallet doesn't store your coins directly. Instead, it stores your private keys. Think of these keys as a secret password that proves you own your crypto and gives you the power to spend it. Every wallet has two main parts. First, there's your public address. This is like your bank account number. You can share it with anyone to receive crypto. It's totally safe to share. Then there's the private key, which is often represented by a 12 or 24-word seed phrase or recovery phrase. This is the master key to your entire vault. You must never, ever share this with anyone. If someone gets your seed phrase, they get control of all your crypto. It's that simple. Now, wallets come in two main flavors, custodial and non-custodial. A custodial wallet is one where a third party, like an exchange such as Coinbase or Binance, holds the keys for you. It's convenient, like a regular bank account, but it means you're trusting them with your money. A non-custodial wallet is where you, and only you, hold the private keys. This gives you full control and responsibility. We'll be focusing on setting up non-custodial wallets today because they are the true essence of self-sovereignty in crypto. So what types of non-custodial wallets are there? You've got software wallets like MetaMask or Trust Wallet, which run on your phone or as a desktop app. They're great for everyday use and interacting with the crypto world. Browser extension wallets, also like MetaMask, are super handy for connecting to decentralized applications or dApps. Then you have the king of security, hardware wallets. These are physical devices from companies like Ledger or Trezor that keep your private keys completely offline. If you're planning on holding a significant amount of crypto, this is the gold standard for security. We'll set one of those up later. There are also older methods like paper wallets, but they're mostly obsolete and can be risky. And for advanced users, there are smart contract wallets that offer features like multi-signature security, where multiple people need to approve a transaction. Before we dive into the setup, let's run through a quick safety checklist. This is non-negotiable. First, only use official apps and websites. Double-check the name and publisher. Second, do this on a secure device. That means no public Wi-Fi. Make sure your operating system is updated and you have no malware. Third, get a pen and paper ready. You're gonna write down your seed phrase, and you must not store it digitally. No screenshots, no text files. And finally, have a plan for where you'll store that piece of paper. Think a physical safe, a safety deposit box, or another secure private location. All right, let's get our hands dirty. First, we'll create a non-custodial wallet using MetaMask as our example. It's one of the most popular wallets and works as both a browser extension and a mobile app. Step 1 is to install the official app. If you're on a computer, go to the official MetaMask.io website and install the extension from your browser's official store, like the Chrome Web Store. If you're on mobile, go to the Apple App Store or Google Play Store and confirm the developer is the official MetaMask. There are fakes out there, so be careful. Once installed, open it up and choose Create a New Wallet. You'll be asked to create a strong password. This password only protects the wallet on this specific device. It doesn't protect your funds if someone gets your seed phrase. Next is the most critical step, backing up your secret recovery phrase. The app will show you a 12-word phrase. Write these words down on paper exactly as they appear and in the correct order. Do not take a screenshot. Do not save it in a notes app. Do not email it to yourself. Write it down. Once you've done that, store that piece of paper somewhere extremely secure. Think fireproof, waterproof, and hidden. Some people even split the words and store them in multiple locations. MetaMask will then ask you to confirm the phrase by selecting the words in the correct order. This is just to make sure you wrote it down correctly. And that's it. Your wallet is created. You'll see your public address, which you can copy and share to receive crypto. When you want to send crypto, the wallet will ask you to sign the transaction, which happens locally on your device using your private key. Just be aware of network fees, often called gas, which you'll need to pay for every transaction. Now let's level up our security and talk about hardware wallets. This is the best way to store any amount of crypto you're not willing to lose. We'll use Ledger or Trezor as our example. First and most importantly, only buy a hardware wallet directly from the manufacturer's official website or an authorized reseller. Never buy a used one. When it arrives, check that the package seals are intact and haven't been tampered with. Next, you'll connect your device to your computer and go to the official companion app, like Ledger Live or Trezor Suite. The app will guide you through initializing the device. You'll start by creating a new wallet and setting a PIN code on the device itself. Then comes the seed phrase. The device screen will display a 20-word recovery phrase, one word at a time. Write each word down carefully on the recovery sheet they provide. Never ever type this seed phrase into your computer or phone for any reason during setup. The whole point of a hardware wallet is that the seed phrase never touches an internet-connected device. The device will then ask you to confirm the seed phrase directly on its little screen to ensure you wrote it down correctly. After that, you'll install any firmware updates through the official app. Now you can create accounts for different cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum within the app. So how do you use it? To receive funds, you'll generate a public address in the companion app. The best practice is to also verify that same address on the screen of your hardware device itself to make sure the app hasn't been compromised. To send funds, you'll create the transaction in the software app, but the final critical step of signing and approving the transaction happens on the physical hardware device. You'll have to press a button on your Ledger or Trezor to confirm the details. This is the magic of a hardware wallet. Even if your computer is full of viruses, they can't steal your funds because they can't press the button on your physical device. Here's a pro tip. Always do a test transaction first. Before you move a large amount of crypto, send a very small amount to make sure everything is working correctly. Let's cover some crucial facts everyone needs to know. As we've discussed, seed phrases, usually 12 or 24 words, are your master backup. If you lose your device and your password, you can use this phrase to restore your entire wallet on any compatible software or hardware. But if you lose your seed phrase, your funds are gone forever. There's no customer support to call, no forgot my password link. You are your own bank. Also, remember that blockchain transactions are irreversible. There are no chargebacks or refunds. The biggest threat you'll face is phishing. Scammers create fake websites, fake wallet apps, and fake browser extensions to trick you into entering your seed phrase. They'll also use social engineering, pretending to be from tech support to help you. Never ever give your seed phrase to anyone or type it into any website. So, let's recap the best practices. Keep a small operational balance in a hot wallet like MetaMask for daily use. Store the bulk of your funds in a cold storage hardware wallet. You can even connect your hardware wallet to MetaMask, giving you the convenience of MetaMask with the security of a hardware wallet for signing transactions. Use unique, strong passwords for all your crypto-related accounts and keep your software and firmware updated from official sources only. So, before you go and create your first wallet, run through this final checklist. Are you on the official app or site? Is your device secure? Do you have a pen and paper ready for your seed phrase? Do you have a secure storage plan for that paper? And are you planning to do a small test transfer first? If you can check all those boxes, you're ready to go. Taking control of your own finances is incredibly empowering, but it comes with responsibility. By following these steps, you're putting yourself in the best possible position to navigate the world of crypto safely. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content on how to stay safe in the crypto space. See you next time.